Hello and welcome to Workplace Vibe Looks Good, Behave Better. Today we are diving into something that often underestimated but crucial to success, which is workplace ethics. From how you dress to how you communicate, ethics shape how others see you and treat you at work. See you at work. We'll explore this topic from different angles with four amazing guests. Let's get started. First, we have our first speaker. He is an expert in professional image and corporate dress code. Second, we have a workplace behavior consultant and soft skills trainer. For the third speaker, we have a senior employee who has seen a good and bad ethic firsthand. And for the fourth speaker, there is a recent graduate adjusting to workplace norm and culture. So let's start with our first speaker.
All right, thank you. Let's start with the appearance, the visual part of workplace etiquette. Whether we like it or not, first impressions matter. The way we dress and groom ourselves reflects our professionalism, discipline, and attention to detail. Proper attire shows that we respect the company, our colleagues, and our role. Each workplace may have different expectations. Maybe some have formal or business casual or smart casual. But no matter the style, the key is to be neat, clean, and presentable. Avoid too much perfume, revealing clothes, or overly casual wear like flip-flops or slogan t-shirt. Unless you are working in a startup that encourages that vibe, looking good is not about fashion. It's about respect and readiness. I
Thank
think
you.
that's all for me.
Thank you to our first speaker that talk about our experience at the workplace. Now we will go to our second speaker that will talk about workplace ethic, which is behavior, communication, and manner.
Thank you for the moderator. All right. I'm the speaker too. So I talk about workplace ethic, behavior, communication, and manner. Now, let's talk about behavior and communication, the heart of workplace ethic. How you interact with other defines your professional identity. Simple, habit matters, saying good morning, maintaining eye contact, listening without interrupt, and showing appreciation with a thank you. Another, respect your colleagues' time. Be punctual for meeting, avoid multitasking during conversation, and don't gossip. This is very important. Use polite language in emails and respond to messages promptly. Remember, emojis and slangs are for friends, not for your boss. Remember, and also observe culture sensitivity in a diverse or division workplace. What's normal to you might be disrespectful to others. Professionalism is not just about rules, but about respect, empathy, and emotional intelligence. So I think that's the point for workplace ethic, behavior, communication, and manner from me.
Okay, thank you to our second speaker that talk about the importance about workplace ethic. Now we will go to our third speaker that talk about common mistake in workplace ethic.
Alright. Okay, thank you, Mr. Moderator. So, great insight so far from the first and the second speaker. But let's be real. So many people break workplace ethics rules without even realizing it. So yes, we want to be friendly at work, but calling your manager bro or cracking inappropriate joke truly cross a line. So there's a difference between being approachable and being unprofessional. So always read the room and maintain a respectful tone. Secondly, you might think you are multitasking, but noting while scrolling your phone isn't engagement. It's disrespect. So whether you are in a meeting or a casual chat, let's give people your full attention. Eye contact and active listening to go a long way. And these are a serious red flags. Spreading rumors, bad mouthing colleague, or claiming ideas that aren't even yours is a surefire way to lose trust. So people remember how you made them feel, especially when it comes to integrity. In short, ethic isn't about being stiff or robotic. It's all about being respectful, mindful, and easy to work with. So make sure to avoid this common mistake, and you won't just earn respect. You will become someone people want on their team. That's all from me.
Thank you to our third speaker that talk about the common mistake in workplace ethic. Now we will go through our fourth speaker, which is a recent graduate, to talk about the final reflection for this topic.
Alright, so thank you to the moderator and also the previous speaker for sharing the tips. Alright, so now my part, I'm going to share my personal experience. I still remember as a fresh graduate, and then when I first entered to this company, and I was very nervous because I don't know what to wear. So what I did is I go and Google search, okay, what is the proper attire I can wear? And then the next day, I observe. I observe to the my colleagues lah, like what they wear. All right, so that's my second. So thirdly is I asked to the hash. I asked to the to my colleague lah, like I asked, okay, can would you mind to share me like your your dress code, and maybe you can share me. I'm asked like, wow, today you wear so pretty, and can you share me the link or where you buy this, and so on. Okay, so next I would like to share is like the most important is we being polite and dress appropriately. So if you feel like anything you feel like unsure, you can always ask question respectfully. And yeah, and also you can like observe to others, and also remember to maintain your professionalism. All right, so I think that's all from me. Yeah, thank you.
So I want to say thanks to all of our panelists today. Maybe we will go around a table. So we will start first with speaker one. Do you have something you want to say?
I think there's nothing more from me, but for the all the student that just graduate, make sure that you're wearing the proper attire, because like I said just now, your attire is your first impression. People doesn't want to hear anything from you if you are not presentable. So first thing first, make sure you're wearing the proper clothes, and also wearing some perfume, but not too over perfume. I think that's all from me.
Thank you, speaker one. What about you, speaker two? Do you have something do you want to say?
Thank you for moderator. I think I have some addition from about my point just now. I want to add about politeness in conversation. I want to give the mention about in conversation allow to others to speak. Don't interrupt. I think this is the most important thing. Don't interrupt or talk over them. Okay, respectful communication, foster better relationship and show emotional intelligence. Okay, so that can reflect your maturity and judgment, and even one misstep can leave a lasting impression. So ultimately, in the small, consistent behavior, they shape your professional brand. And ethic is not about being rigid, but it's about being respectful, mindful, and intentional in every interaction. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you for our speaker too. Next, do you have something do you want to say, speaker 3?
Alright, okay, thank you, Mr. Moderator again. So I might have some tips for you about the workplace ethics. So first, I might say about what the first speaker has spoke about the over perfume and so on. But remember, this one is simple, but it's often ignored. When you come to work with a strong body odor and so on, leaving a mess behind, it makes the environment being uncomfortable for everyone. So make sure cleanliness and basic courtesy, it is non-negotiable in a shared place. So, and secondly, maybe being completely quiet in a group discussion or meeting, it make you seen as a disinterest or lack of initiative. So make sure you have to dominate the conversation, but don't over dominate, but do participate, if I may say. Share share some opinion, ask question, show support. So your presence in the meeting is matter. So I think that's all. Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thank you to our speaker 3. Next, our recent graduate, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, for me, I think I want to emphasize on my point, which is we need if you face any problems, if you face any challenge or in anything you're unsure, okay, you can just straight away ask to your friends, your colleagues, and also yeah, anyone around you lah. Don't keep quiet just at the corner at the end, and nobody will notice you. So yeah, just be brave, don't be shy. All right, that's all for me.
Okay, thank you for all of our panelists. I think that is for our talk today about workplace ethic. And to everyone that watching this, remember, ethic isn't about being stiff, but it's about being aware, respectful, and responsible. Dress right, speak right, behave right, and your career will thank you. See you for the next time. Thank you.
Thank you.